Sony SRS-XB10 review. Please take 3 seconds to click the subscribe button on our channel for more upcoming videos. The grenade-size SRS-XB10 is the smallest and most basic of the new speakers in Sony's line of extra bass Bluetooth speakers. At this size, extra bass might be a stretch, but it does have a bit more punch than many competitors. Available in multiple colors, Sony sent us a review sample of the more mundane-looking black version. The water-resistant speaker's claim to fame is that it has good battery life for a tiny speaker and delivers relatively richer sound than the plethora of other tiny Bluetooth speakers on the market. SRS-XB10 key specs: 11.4 ounces or 322 grams. Bluetooth 4.2. Connect and stream music easily with Bluetooth and NFC. Add an extra speaker for stereo sound. Water-resistant IPX5. Up 16 hours of battery life at moderate volume levels. Strap converts into speaker stand when speaker is placed on its side. NFC tap-to-pair technology for devices that support it. Built-in microphone for speakerphone capabilities. Audio input. Charges via micro USB cable included. Available in multiple color. The speaker has a few extra features worth noting: the detachable strap, which could be used to hang the speaker from a hook in your shower or from a tree branch, converts into a stand for the speaker when you place it on its side in horizontal mode. You can also pair 2 of these speakers and use them as stereo speakers for your computer. For instance, you get more directional sound with the speaker on its side. The step-up models in the line, the SRS-XB20, SRS-XB30 and SRS-XB40, have special lighting effects, with the 2 top-end models delivering club-like lighting effects with an LED perimeter line light, a strobe flash and speaker light. The XB10 doesn't light up, it's all about its sound. As far as that sound goes, for this type of little mono speaker, it doesn't get much better. It's still not great and the speaker distorts at higher volumes and with certain bass frequencies. The Sean Frank remix of the Chainsmokers' Closer track has been rough on little speakers, including this one. But it does have a little punch to it and sounds decent with less complicated tracks and acoustical music. These tiny Bluetooth speakers are strongest in the mid-range vocals, so this would do well with movie dialogue and podcasts. My only design nitpick is that the speaker's rubberized, soft-to-the-touch finish attracts some dust and lint. On the plus side, the base of the XB10 has enough grip to it to keep the speaker from sliding around when you pump up the volume, and it vibrates thanks to its built-in passive bass radiator. As I said, there are plenty of little mono speakers out there to compete with this model and a lot of them cost less than the XB10. It's a notch up from many inexpensive generic Chinese speakers you'll find on Amazon, but it's still a little pricey at $60. Those generic speakers can cost $30 or less. The more expensive UE Wonderboom and JBL Flip 4 do play louder and sound fuller, but they are larger speakers. Ultimately, this speaker has the same allure as Sony's earlier cube-shaped SRS-X11, which I liked and started out at $70 but now costs less than $50 as it's being phased out. That being, the SRS-XB10 is an attractively designed super mini speaker that sounds better than you think it would. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more upcoming videos.